Hello, this is Gio. Hey, has this ever happened to you where you want to hook up your towel on a little towel hook here? You put it there and instead of staying there and holding your towel, the whole thing falls off. Well, move to the left right here, and this is exactly what happened here. You have this identical towel hook right here, but this one just fell off. Well, if your towel rack is anything like this one, it's pretty easy to fix, and I'll show you how to do that next. Okay, so what we have here is what's called the kind of a hidden wall mount bracket for this towel hook. When it's actually installed, you really don't see any screws into the wall. The screws are hidden behind the actual hook itself. Well, it could be a little bit tricky how to figure out how to remount these if they fall off. So as you can see with this, just this little bracket plate here, this is the part that actually gets screwed into the wall. And this one's a little loose, so I'm just going to take a screwdriver here and kind of tighten this up before I go any farther. So tighten that up. And then reinstalling the actual hook is pretty easy. If you just kind of turn this around, you'll see kind of how it hooks on. Now, kind of a close-up here, if you could see, there's kind of a little notch right on top here of the hook. Well, that notch fits this top part of the plate, so when you put it down, it just kind of hooks there and doesn't fall off. Now, on the bottom, you have this little set screw here, and it's kind of pointy here, and what you need is a small little screwdriver. Now if you look on the bottom here, you'll see the screwdriver. You normally don't see that because when it's face down, the screw is actually, let's see, on the bottom here. And so it's kind of out of sight, but it is there. And what you could do is just kind of stick your screwdriver right here. And as you unscrew it, you'll notice that little pin kind of backs out. And then when you screw it back in, the pin just kind of goes up. And so that's how this thing is held together. So you want to kind of remove or screw the screw back so the pin's not exposed. And so when you replace it, you kind of hook that little lip on top here so it's secure and it's flush. So if the pin was still up, you couldn't make it flush because the pin would actually get in the way of this lower part of the plate. And so you want to kind of hook it there, look underneath, and just screw it in. And you can see this little screw just screwing in there. And basically you can go all the way in until it's nice and tight. Going in quite a ways there until it generally stops, and that should be secure. Now you do want to wiggle it just to make sure that screw, that little point's behind that plate, and this one is very secure. Now if you ever want to remove this, you would just take your screwdriver and screw out that screw, and then you could just remove the hook and then also the plate if you want to replace that. And there you go, all fixed, so we can just use that hook again. And so I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.